now the situation is quite normal. So we do expect that from time to time this kind of thing will happen. But we as a government, from the government side, we're trying hard. We want to make sure that this kind of thing will not happen in the future. So from the government side, we have already set up one border outpost in Katasna, one in Mukro, and all the police outposts in Borto. So all this setup, it is meant to bring peace and order in the border area. We have tried our level best. Our Honorable Deputy CM also, he has convened a meeting from time to time. So we are on the process, and we have already met the Assam counterpart also for more than 2 times now. So we are in the process, and I hope that very soon we'll be able to solve this problem. As of now, we have the required number of personnel in the border, I mean in the border outpost. So I think those personnel that were already there, I am very much sure they can handle the situation. No, we only met with the regional committee from Assam, and DC also is there. The DC of Assam was there in the meeting. So apart from that meeting, we haven't met the local villagers and all. But that will take time, and we'll have to find out whether there's a need to discuss with the local villagers or not.